Hey guys, another package has arrived. This is the 6000 lumen flashlight, if I'm correct. This was the handheld searchlight, that kind of item. So yeah, let's unpick it. It's not too well. That's fine. It does look pretty nice. Did have some dirt on it. Doesn't matter too much. It is pretty comfortable. Inside here is plastic. You do have a charging port in here. Although I have to look up which size and the voltage and everything. Probably gonna be around 5 volts or something, I think. At least I hope. Come on, go in there. Yes. The lens, it's rotating. So that's fully extended now. And now it's all the way in. Let's open it. Okay, I thought maybe it would go in 4, but there are 2 batteries. Okay. Positive is okay. Let's try it. It's a LED, so it doesn't matter too much. Okay, that one. It's already lit. Okay, so there are 3 modes in this thing. One press is high, then low, then strobe. It's only one, it's not a half a press, so that's a little bit irritating. And then you can focus it, so let's try that. It's a really tiny spot. It is bright, to say that. But it does look pretty nice, and it's pretty comfortable to hold in the hand. So yeah. But I do see something in there, which I don't know why it's in there. It looks like it's in the plastic. So that's a bit weird. I don't know if we can unscrew this one. It seems. Oh wait. Seems like you can't just remove it. It does work, but I'm not a fan of this thing. I don't know. This thing is a bit flimsy. It's fat because of they put some fat on there. It's on the plate, as you can see. But I'm not sure why they did that, so that's pretty illogical. But it's weird that there's something metal in there. Really weird, I have to say. I expected a bit more of this thing. There's a floating piece of metal in there. The circuitry has 1 chip on it and some resistors. And there are coming 4 wires from there. So the charging port is connected there. But only this ridge here is the minus contact. Oh, come on, focus. Okay. So only the ridge here is the minus. So I'm not sure if it always put a good contact on the side. Probably does, but still. Just remove this one for a second. Okay, that should be fine. And mine is down again. Something. Is it? Okay. The positive thing is, when you put it in the wrong way, this way it's going in easy, and this way it's not falling down. So that's pretty nice that they did that. Because this side is a bit bigger than the other side. So that's a pretty nice detail. There's also a spring on here. So that's not too bad either. And you maybe can see it's strobing on the camera, but it isn't in real life. Now it is strobing. Okay, so let's compare this one for a second with my other Skywolfeye product. That's this little thing. It is the same Cree XML T6, although it isn't a real Cree probably, but still. And it seems to be just as bright as this one. It's even a bit brighter, because if this is the new bought flashlight and this is the old one, well, this thing does have a bit better light, this one, than this one. The focus, let's test that. This thing you have returned pretty far. Focus is way thinner than this, if I'm correct. Yes. No, something isn't screwed perfectly in there. Or it is. Okay. So the lens on the left one is, well, it seems to be way better than on the right. But from a distance, it's still a bit tinier. So this one will throw a bit further. So it is pretty heavy, so that's nice. The only downside is that I have a little flake of metal floating in there. Not sure why that is. That's a bit flimsy, but okay. And everything is fatty. The handle feels alright, although it's a bit tiny for me. My fingers aren't that small. So that's doable. It's more comfortable than this one. Although this one you can just shove in your pocket, and this one, well, you can't. But I'm just curious if this thing is brighter than my LED Lenser P14. The €80 flashlight. So that's this one. And this is this one. Yeah, it seems to be brighter. Although the LED Lenser gives better and nicer light. So that's this thing. I already have this thing for like 5 years, so it's a bit abused, but it still works great. No problems at all. So yeah. That's it for today. It seems to be pretty nice. So I'm gonna look tonight how far this thing will throw. So see ya.